Howdy, I'm Derek from Heckler. In this video, I'll walk you through how to assemble your Heckler Stand for NEATBOARD Pro and get it ready for action. Before we begin, please note that this stand is specifically compatible with NEATBOARD Pro, and you'll need 2 people to safely mount the display. In the box, you'll find 1 beam, 4 legs, 2 columns, 4 casters, 2 column caps, 2 cable managers, mounting screws for the column caps, an assembly hex key, and Velcro strapping. Before we begin, we recommend that you lay down a blanket or drop cloth for assembly, especially for those assembling on hard surfaces. We'll start by installing the casters into each leg. Casters and legs are identical, so you can install any caster into any leg. To begin, engage each caster brake, then thread the caster into the socket at the bottom of the leg. Thread until the caster is fully seated and the hex portion is completely set inside the leg socket. Repeat this for all 4 legs. Next, we'll install the legs into the beam. As with the casters, because all 4 legs are identical, they can be installed in any beam socket. Lay the beam on the ground or work surface with the leg sockets facing up. Check that there are a pair of set screws present at every socket. Using the included hex key, back out the 2 set screws at each leg socket just enough so the leg can slide in, but do not remove them completely. Take note of the push pin on the side of the leg, as well as the protruding tabs. The push pin will lock the leg in place, and the tabs will extend through the openings on the beam once fully installed. Align the leg so the 2 conical holes line up with the set screws and insert into the leg socket. Then depress the silver safety push pin, allowing the leg to seat fully into the beam socket. When fully inserted, you'll feel and hear the safety pin click into place, and the tabs at the end of the leg will sit flush with the outside of the beam. Now tighten the 2 set screws. Snug them firmly so they fit nearly flush with the beam surface, but don't over-tighten. As you tighten, the conical tips of the set screws will engage with the conical holes of the leg, locking the leg into permanent alignment. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 legs. Once all 4 legs are installed, carefully upright the base. Engage the brakes on all 4 casters. At the top of the beam, locate the 2 column sockets. As with the legs, back out the set screws to provide clearance for the column at each socket with the included hex key, but don't remove them. Hold a column vertically above the socket and align it with the opening. Please avoid inserting your columns at an angle or rocking them back and forth to make the tabs align. Maintain a fully vertical column during insertion for optimal results. Depress the column's silver safety push pin and slide the column fully into the socket. As with the legs, when correctly seated, the safety pin will click into the beam and the tabs at the end of the column will sit flush with the outer surface. Tighten the 2 set screws until they are snug and nearly flush with the beam. You'll feel the column settle into its final position as the conical tips of the screws match the conical holes in the column. Repeat this for the second column. With the stand fully assembled and all 4 caster brakes engaged, you're ready to mount your NEATBOARD Pro. Please note, this step requires 2 people. Ensuring that all 4 casters are locked, bring NEATBOARD Pro close to the stand and align the 2 upper mounting anchors on the back of the board with the top slots on the column. Align the lower 2 mounting anchors with the lower cutouts on the column. When all 4 anchors are aligned, carefully lower NEATBOARD Pro straight down until it seats securely into place on the columns. Next, we'll install the column caps at the top of each column, followed by the cable managers. Once fully seated, use the provided hex key to secure the caps with the supplied screws. You can now neatly route your power, USB, HDMI, and Ethernet cables along the columns and down the rear of the stand. Use the included Velcro strap to bundle and secure cables along the rear leg, keeping everything clean and protected from trips and snags. Then just power on your NEATBOARD Pro and you're done. thank you for watching the assembly process for Heckler Stand for NEATBOARD Pro. Rigid, mobile, and ready for modern collaboration. For any questions about assembly, maintenance, or our other Heckler products, view the links in the description or visit heckler.com.